How Catalan sounds to a non-Catalan speaker. Ever wondered how your language might sound if someone doesn't understand it at all? Let's take a listen and see. Malfrar runcis capdavall torna cal trossos vomiatart crepimbal clar carrun canelons trumliba. Brancat voltra catrumil gran clar tornals caprimbal clar trumrim parvisal grantis farlum transpir. Caruminal valtrim surval caprencat trumviscan gran fer runcis pral cap tirloix brumria cantrel malvit. Balplan trumfrit grantol salpram cratrum vil rancat gansior bransal trumbil caprinap. No, this isn't what real Catalan sounds like. Because it's not Catalan, it's just gibberish like my channel name suggests. But there will always be some who miss the point and comment that's not what Catalan sounds like. All because they didn't get the joke. I swear. I can already see those comments rolling in. Follow me if you want to hear SpongeBob obliterate more languages in hilarious gibberish.